Every bite of this dish is just so creamy and a bit tangy at the same time. For a delicious and family-friendly meal, learn how to make this sour cream chicken casserole, brought to you by recipes.net. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Into a bowl, add the chicken, noodles, mushrooms, cream of chicken soup, and sour cream. Toss to combine. Grease the baking casserole with cooking spray and transfer the mixture. Sprinkle the Swiss cheese on top, then bake it in the oven for 45 minutes. Garnish with green onions before serving. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.